Hi there, welcome to the channel. This is a group of 35 stocks that YCharts puts together based on Peter Lynch-like qualities. They screen for stocks that are small cap, have a low PEG ratio, reasonable debt to equity ratio, and something of a dividend. And when they do that, they come up with this list of 35. I've gone through a few of these in other videos. Be sure to check those out. But right now I'm going to be looking at forgive me if I'm saying this wrong, Umpqua Holdings Corp. The ticker symbol is UMPQ. Again, I don't know a lot about these companies. If you're thinking about investing in any of these, make sure you do your own due diligence. Just because, yeah, I don't really follow these stocks. I don't know a lot about them. I just kind of think of them as more of a jumping off point for possible investment ideas. But yeah, this is gonna be a really quick overview of Umpqua Holdings. YCharts gives it a rating of neutral, a value score of 9 out of 10, fundamental score of 5 out of 10, and a valuation historical multiple of negative 6.27%. So it's overvalued right now, slightly, according to YCharts anyways. The profile, it says Umpqua Holdings Corp. Is the parent company of Umpqua Bank, an Oregon-based community bank with operations mostly in the Pacific Northwest region of the United States as well as Nevada. The bank provides a broad range of banking, wealth management, mortgage, and other financial services to corporate, institutional, and individual customers. Its community banking model places a high premium on innovation, specifically on its product delivery system and its service user experience. The company also owns Umpqua Investments, a registered broker-dealer and investment advisor offering a full range of investment products and services. Its operating segments are core banking and mortgage banking. The bank's main source of revenue is a net interest income. So it's located in Oregon. Its sector is financial services, industries, banks. So it's like a small regional bank, or maybe not so small. It's got a market cap of $4 billion. Has a dividend yield of 4.42%. 5-year revenue growth of just over 2%. Revenue growth, quarterly year-over-year growth is 7.67%. EPS, 5-year growth is just over 7%. EPS, quarterly year-over-year growth is negative 7.32%. That's not uncommon for a lot of these financial services companies. They've all been kind of like struggling lately, especially with the stock market being the way it is. Yeah, the debt to equity ratio, reasonable, 0.5313. Return on equity is 13.18%. The PE ratio is 12.18. Looking at some of the key stats, see if it's got cash. It's just got over 4.491 billion in cash. That's come down quite a bit since September 21, when it had over 7.46 billion in cash. The long-term debt, that's 1.31 billion right now. It's gone up considerably since last year, June 22. Yeah, so it's got lots of debt. The free cash flow is doing all right, just over $1 billion right now. And historically, that looks like it's quite good. It's got lots of cash. The dividend yield, 4.42%. The payout ratio is just over 40%. The PE, 12.18. The PEG ratio, there's none to speak of. The shares outstanding, 217 million, and they're not really doing anything with the shares, share buybacks or anything like that. So, yeah, I mean, this looks like a small regional bank in Oregon, and yeah, I don't know a lot about it. Maybe if there's somebody out there who can give us some details about what's happening at Umpqua Holdings, I'd be curious to hear what your thoughts are. Make sure you say something in the comments. Yeah, if you're interested in keeping up to date with what's happening with this list of 35 stocks in the Peter Lynch portfolio, check out my website, peterlynchinvestor.com. I update the site routinely with what's happening with this group of 35 stocks. And I also have a newsletter, so if you subscribe to that, you'll get updated whenever something happens with the portfolio. And then also you can just subscribe to this channel, or I plan on doing more of these kinds of videos on the Peter Lynch portfolio. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.